Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to transfer money from Wise to international bank account. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we need to do in order for us to transfer from Wise to international bank account is simply open an account and explore the Wise account, or just simply go here in the international money transfers. It's a direct approach you can simply send from Wise to any international bank account. But of course, you have to be careful that some of the bank accounts are restricted on a specific location. So you might want to consider that. Now, let's make an example here that you're going to send like 2,000 US dollars. Okay. Now here's the charge. Its connected bank account is $2 USD, and the fee is this corresponding amount. Okay. Now the recipient gets this amount. Now it depends on the value of the currency that you're sending, and the currency that they wanted to receive it, and of course to the bank accounts that they're gonna use. And say for example the recipients are gonna be receiving a British pound, so the amounts are different. Now if you click on compare price, that's what's gonna happen. So these are the methods that you can check whenever you're sending from your Wise account to international bank account. And the cheapest right now is MoneyGram. But if you're using Wise, here's the corresponding amount. There's an option also for Remitly, Western Union, OFX, Zoom, and World Remit. Okay, and even PayPal. But of course, we're using a Wise transfer. Is a mid-market. And once you've finalized that, all you're gonna do here is initiate a transfer. Now from your Wise dashboard, simply click on initiate a new transfer, enter the amount you want to transfer, and select the currency. You can simply add your bank account if you haven't already added your bank account. Anything any international bank account would do, you'll need to do so. Just go to the recipient details section and choose to add a new recipient or select an existing one. Now review and confirm. Review the transfer details, including the amount, exchange rate if applicable, and the recipient information. And of course, confirm that all details are correct, and choose your preferred method like bank transfer, credit, debit card, anything, and pay for the transfer as we have checked earlier. And again, you can track a transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, you can track its progress within your Wise account. You'll receive notifications about the status of your transfer, and allow some time for the transfer to be processed, because typically it may take few business days for funds to reach your international bank account. And once a transfer, simply check your bank to verify that the funds have been successfully deposited. And again, just click on continue here and follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.